This is an Intermatic timer. This model here is the T104. Actually, T101 is the basic model. Mechanical. Easy to remove from the box. You press in here, it comes right off. Easy to put back in. Just click it back. To set the time, you just pull it and put the time that it is right now. Right now is 4:33, so you put 4:33. It's not exact, but it works really well. The mechanics of it has been sold in the market for more than 50 years now, so we know it works. For you to test, to know if this is working, and you just walk up to it, you don't know if the time is right, you just go in there, stick your pinky finger into this hole on the back of the unit, right on the top of this yellow circle, right hand side in here, you can see a hole. You can just stick your pinky finger in there and feel for some gears, and the gear should be moving. As soon as you touch it, you see that it is moving. It's not going to harm your timer in any way. You just press against it and you feel that it's moving. It is working. If it is not moving, it's not working. You look at it, this is really simple to install. There are only 2 wires in. The neutral goes in here on the first terminal, and the line, which is the hot, goes on the second terminal. And there's only 1 wire that comes out of it, which is your load. The load is what carries power already switched by the timer on or off, and it goes out this way to whatever load you are powering. It is a motor, it is a light, whatever it is, comes to here, and you connect this to the positive side of your unit. This is a 120 volt timer, so it provides 120 volt timer power to the device. And then from the device, you're gonna have a neutral wire coming back to the panel. You can connect straight to the panel, but most likely it's going to be coming to this box. So to close the circuit, as a short way to go back to the panel, you just connect it with your neutral in here. So you close the circuit inside this box. Goes out this way, comes back, and the white wire connected in here.